In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history on YouTube. By the end, you will know how to remove specific messages from your live chat history so they no longer show up in your account. First, open YouTube. On a computer, that means opening your browser and going to the YouTube website. When the page loads, you should see the familiar YouTube home feed with the search bar near the top and video thumbnails filling the main area. Take a second to confirm you are on the main YouTube page before moving on. Next, sign into your account, look in the top right corner and click the Sign In button, then choose your Google account. After you sign in, you will know it worked when your profile picture or initial appears in the top right instead of the Sign In button. Once you are signed in, any changes you make to history will be tied to this account only. Now click History. You will find the History option on the left side menu of the YouTube homepage. When you click it, the page changes to a history view, and you should see a list of videos you watched recently in the center. On the right side, there is a panel with different history types and controls. This history area is where YouTube groups your watch history, search history, and live chat history. On the right side, select Live Chat. In that side panel, you will see different filters, including options like Watch History. Click Live Chat so YouTube only shows messages from your live chats. The list in the main area will update, and now you should see your live chat messages arranged by stream or by time. If you do not see anything, it can simply mean you have not used live chat on this account yet. From here, find the chat message you want to remove. Scroll through the list until you see the exact message or conversation you no longer want saved. Pay attention to the stream title and the timestamp beside each entry, since similar messages can appear more than once. Taking a moment to double-check the text of the message helps avoid removing the wrong one, because this removal cannot be undone from this history page. Hover over the message. Move your mouse pointer onto the line of the chat message itself. As you hover, extra icons appear on that same row, usually on the right side of the message. When you see those small icons show up, you know you are pointing at the correct message. Finally, click X Delete. Among the icons that appear, click the X symbol labeled Delete. As soon as you click it, the chat message disappears from the list, which confirms that it has been removed from your live chat history for this account. You just learned how to open your YouTube history, switch to live chat, and delete specific chat messages from your history. If this helped you clean up your YouTube live chats, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple YouTube tips.